grade 7 na siya. Kumusta ka naman today for our Ilibag workshop? Yes, are you happy? Yes. Okay. Sige. Ano yung mga natutunan mo today? What did you enjoy? Nag-enjoy siyang mag-ayos ng snack. So, mami and daddy alam na pagbukas ng ref, mamaya pag-uwi, siya ang mag-aayos. Medyo wala ka Alexander Rex. Ito ang easy morning, ma'am and sir, dahil natuto ko mag-build kanina. Okay na? Okay, ready? With the full energy, 1, 2, 3! Morning, ma'am. Okay. Along with all of your mood tags, thank you so much. Picture naman natin sila. Or napasok. Yes, ma'am. Mga parents.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, wait!